Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I'm doing a modified bloom swipe today. I had a bunch of colors mixed up, so I'm going to go through them with you really quick. I am going to be using a white base. I may use a little of this blue gray that I made. I just added a little Payne's gray to it, so I might be using that. But anyway, let's go through the colors. So I'm going to be using this. I have some new colourart pigments, and this is a Bling It pigment, and this is Byzantine. It's like a bluish purpley almost. So we're gonna have that one. I have a pretty bright pink, and this is Jasmine. Look at that. All right. I'm going to be using some, oh, here it is. This is just, oh, what is it? There it is. It's Cobalt Turquoise by Golden. And I mixed in a little of this Meadow by Bling It colourart. Okay. Next, we're going to use a little of this yellow, and this is Isadora by Bling It. Put a little of that in there. What else? I'm going to use this one, and this one is a primary element, and it's Ocean Wave. Okay, so it's going to be pretty bright. I'm kind of in the mood to be doing some bright colors. What else do I want to use? I have the, it's pretty much the same color. Let's do this lighter blue. And this is Blue Eyes by this little piggy. All right, and I think that's going to be it. You know, I'm going to add in a little gold, and this is 24 karat gold by colourart. All right, so that's my color palette. Let's get started. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And yeah, all right, let's get started. I'm excited. So this is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I'm going to be doing, like I said, the modified bloom. So if you have any questions, hit me up. I get back to you pretty quickly. Okay? All right, guys, here we go.
sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.